Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad low budget. To start, select store brand macaroni, which is often 1/3 the cost of name brands. Focus on inexpensive vegetables like celery, onions, and bell peppers. Making your own dressing from scratch is key, using ingredients you likely already have. This approach keeps your grocery bill down while still creating a delicious dish. For smart ingredient choices, always pick dried macaroni. It's far more economical than fresh pasta. Instead of costly additions, consider using frozen peas or carrots, which are budget-friendly and add vibrant color. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent way to boost protein content without spending a lot. These simple swaps make a big difference in your overall cost and flavor. Crafting your own dressing is simple and saves money. Start with a base of 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Season generously with salt and pepper, plus a small pinch of mustard powder for extra zing. If the dressing is too thick, thin it with a tablespoon or 2 of water or milk until it reaches your desired consistency. For the best flavor, always chill your macaroni salad for at least 2 hours before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. For an extra touch, sprinkle in some fresh parsley or dill just before serving to add a vibrant, fresh taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.